So today I want to show you how to do an additional charge fee for people staying with pets or additional guests or even your cleaning fee. So what we're going to be doing right over here in real time is following straight along. But while we do that, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below to keep on learning more about Airbnb as well as running your small business. So here on the main screen, we're going to click on the menu button on the bottom right hand side. And over here, you're going to see where it says hosting. We currently have one property, so we're going to click on this property right over here. And it's currently under the tab for listing, but we want to click on booking settings. And then there's going to be an option right here that says additional charges. We're going to click here. And this is where we're going to be able to find our cleaning fee, our pet fee, and our extra guest fee. So if you click on edit on any of these, you're going to see a couple options like the cleaning fee you can put per stay. You could also do short stay cleaning fees that are a little bit different to kind of encourage people staying 1 to 2 days. And then you can also do your pet fees. If you click on here, you can see how much you can put per stay. Obviously, service animals stay for free. And then your extra guest fee. If you want to charge a little bit more per guest, obviously you can see here, this is going to be the amount that you put in and then per guest, and you can actually click on there to add or subtract if you wanted to do so. I personally like to leave that as is so people can bring obviously the amount of people for the beds that are available for them without charging any extra fees, but that's just how I like to run it with my Airbnb. Now, I want you to actually keep on learning more when it comes to utilizing Airbnb and its app. So I'm going to put up a video right over here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and check out that next video.